Awaken, Adam, for I made you from the earth, and have seen that you are good.
What's happening?
You are the first man which I have wrought from the dust of...
Where am I?
My child, you are in the Garden of Eden, which shall be forever a safe haven and paradise for you, so long as...
Where are you? Like, where's your voice coming from?
I am in the heavens. For to see me would be unholy. My divine image is not be.
Who are you?
Let me finish speaking. I am God, the supreme creator of the cosmos. I have created everything you see before you. The earth, the skies, seas, plants, animals, light, darkness, and the rest. All were made by my hand. And you, Adam, are man. You are my final creation. Molded in my own image, you shall hold dominion over your earthly kingdom.
I mean, I don't know what a lot of that means, but it sounds like you've been very busy. But now, like, that you're done, am I in charge around here?
No, you're not in charge. I'm in charge. But you are the most holy of my creations, and the one which I shall most bless.
And what did you say I was again?
You are man.
Are there any other mans for me to hang out with?
No, but you may choose any of the creatures of the earth to be your confidant. You may select from my creations a companion.
Like, not to say that these animals aren't cool or anything. I really like the ones with the antlers.
The moose?
Yeah, the moose is really cool. But I'd prefer if there was someone who could actually talk to me.
Very well.
What are you going to do? Can I help that?
Sleep. You may awaken.
What did you do? What is this red stuff?
Chill.
Why?
Chill. Listen.
Why?
Just blood. I ripped out one of your ribs so I can make...
What's a rib? Is that important?
I mean, not really. I took one so that I might make for you a suitable partner. A woman.
Why couldn't you just make it out of dust like me?
I can't make everyone the same, okay?
Why?
Perhaps your new partner will be better able to calm your inquiries. Here she is. Eve?
Ah, what the fuck is going on?
Eve, I am God. I have seen you and witnessed that you are good and all that. You are a woman created from the rib of Adam, the first man.
What does that even mean?
I have made you so that Adam might have a suitable consort, and mankind might spread through the earth.
You created me so that I could keep some guy company? Is that the only reason I'm here? Seriously?
Yes. Completely. For you are the companion to man, of course.
Hi again. It's nice to meet you.
I'm feeling very attacked right now.
There is no need to worry, my dear, for you are in paradise. However, there are some rules. The both of you may neither steal, kill, eat a fruit from that big tree, worship false gods, create idols, nor use my name in vain. And Eve, you must live in seclusion when you bleed, and anything you touch will be unclean.
What do you mean when I bleed? What is that?
I've bled, he's bled, we, he, she.
No, Adam, that's a different type of bleeding. You guys will figure this all out later.
Honestly, you just threw a bunch of shit at me and there's no way I can remember all that. So can you write this down somewhere?
No. I left some apples in the box over there if you get hungry. And if you're thirsty, there's a beautiful flowing stream over there. And if you get bored, well, Adam, there's Eve. Eve, Adam. I must go now, for I am tired of all the work I've done, and I must take a day off and rest. Good luck, my children. Enjoy paradise.
Hey, Aaron. Did God say something about a tree?
Actually, it's Adam. And to be honest, I zoned out for most of that, so hopefully it's not important.